Wafer. A wafer is a crisp, often sweet, very thin, flat, light and dry cookie, often used to decorate ice cream, and also used as a garnish on some sweet dishes. Wafers can also be made into cookies with cream flavoring sandwiched between them. They frequently have a waffle surface pattern, but may also be patterned with insignia of the food's manufacturer or may be patternless. Some chocolate bars, such as Kit Kat and Coffee Crisp, are wafers with chocolate in and around them. Communion wafers. A communion wafer is a type of unleavened bread consumed after transubstantiation as part of the Christian ritual of communion. Spa wafer. Special spa wafers Czech, Lazinska Platki, Slovak, Kupelnia Blatki are produced in the spa towns of the Czech Republic, e.g. Karlovy Vary, Mariinsk Lázně, etc., and the Slovak Republic, e.g. Piestiny. Christmas wafer. Christmas wafers, whose patterns often depict religious scenes, are in Central European Roman Catholic Christmas tradition celebrated in Polish, Slovak, Lithuanian and Italian families on Christmas Eve. It doesn't have sacramental value like the communion wafer. Christmas wafer is symbolic bread to share among guests to emphasizing the closet relationship eating bread together. This gesture has a positive meaning, but additional wishes are often made as well. Christmas wafer is called opłatek Latin, oblatum in Polish as opposed to waffle being the common wafer. The Christmas wafer is made of wheat flour and water only. Oblea. A variation of a wafer, considered a part of the traditional cuisine in Argentina, Colombia, Ecuador, Guatemala, El Salvador. It is usually eaten as a dessert with two pieces filled with arequipe, dulce de leche milk caramel, and slash or condensed milk in the middle. In some places, they might contain cheese, fruits, or chantilly cream, among others. Pink wafer. The pink wafer is a wafer-based confectionery originally made by Edinburgh's Crawford's Biscuits in the United Kingdom. It is now made by United Biscuits, the company that took over the firm in 1960. The snack consists of cream sandwiched between wafers dyed pink. There is a similar product branded Pink Panther wafers. Fresca. Fresca is an Egyptian wafer sold only on beaches in the summertime. It is made from two thin circular wafers filled with a thin layer of honey syrup. Variations. Some wafers are produced with a chocolate covering. Another popular flavor is lemon. Purulins are cookies made from wafers rolled in a tube and sometimes filled with cream.